Imagine tucking your kids in tonight, grabbing your laptop, and by tomorrow morning, you've got a side hustle up and running, one that could start earning within days, not months, not even years. Sound crazy? Well, it's not. Parents are out there right now doing this very thing with AI, and I'm about to show you how. First thing I want you to do is to forget about AI millionaires. Forget about 997 courses. This is about real family-proof hustles that you can launch in under an hour, okay? Most parents fail at AI side hustles not because they don't work hard at them, but because they chase the wrong advice. AI, my friends, is not a lottery ticket. It's a lever. And when you pull on the right lever, you can move mountains. The first hustle I want to start with tonight is content repurposing with AI. Think about it. This is all those small business owners and coaches and even podcasters like me out there. They've got hours and hours of content piling up, gathering digital dust, but they don't have the time to turn it into social media posts and clips and articles and blog posts and all the other things that they need in order to get attention. That's where you're going to step in. You're going to step in with tools like Cast Magic to transcribe podcasts or Opus Clips to automatically chop up those videos into shorts. And you can turn a single podcast episode into TikTok clips and LinkedIn posts and even help them publish a newsletter. Parents are already charging $300 to $500 for a single repurposing package. And once you know the process, it can take you less than an hour. The second side hustle is building micro products with AI on platforms like Etsy and Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, Amazon KDP. This is where AI really is going to shine. You can use Leonardo, Midjourney, any one of the image creators, or even Canvas AI to generate illustrations and ChatGPT to create journal prompts. Heck, you could use ChatGPT for the image creation as well. Create activity sheets or even coloring pages. But here's the thing, one digital product alone is not going to make you rich. Let's just be honest. But when you start stacking 5, 10, 20 or more of those suckers together, you're creating a reliable stream of income that ticks along steadily in the background while you're focused on your family life. The third hustle, way less glamorous but surprisingly profitable, is AI data training and labeling. There are so many companies out there that need human feedback to train their AI systems. And that means someone like you perhaps, is out there rating chatbot responses and labeling images or giving feedback on AI generated text. Platforms like Scale AI or Remote Tasks are already paying, I don't know, 15 to 30 bucks an hour for this very work. And while, look, it's not the most exciting gig, it is the fastest way to start earning cash and build a little confidence while you scale up to bigger, more leveraged side hustles. Each of these hustles fits somewhere into a real family life. You don't need to stay up to 3 a.m. grinding away. You don't need a tech degree. You just need 60 or so focused minutes after bedtime. Because here's the thing, that first $100 that you earn, that is proof that it works, proof that AI is yours and you can do it, proof that you can build your AI escape plan without sacrificing your family. If you'd like the full step-by-step roadmap on this topic, I just dropped a full podcast episode called AI Side Hustles That You Can Launch Tonight, ones that actually earn. Go ahead and hit the link down in the description, listen to the full episode, and get started on your own AI escape plan. Think successfully. Take action.